basically we are born to die. There was the Big Bang, and it was so much smaller than an atom, and then all of a sudden it like grew exponentially to this huge thing. Like the force is kind of like a slingshot when you pull it back and all the tension's building up, and then you let go, and then boom! Universe! That's what happened. With the Big Bang came these black holes, which actually the black holes came from supernovas, which is a certain type of star, bigger star than our sun. Luckily our sun won't go supernova, it will just go giant, red giant, there we go, just go red giant and suck in us and then combust from within, and so it'll kind of blow up and then shrink back down to a white dwarf. So when a big old star that is massive finally dies, it creates a supernova. It flips its shit and decides to do a lot of scientific stuff that I cannot remember. Kind of just goes brrr, and then within that energy it creates a black hole, and no one really knows what black holes are. Some say they could time travel through it, or they're portals to other ends of the galaxy or the universe. The universe is going to end in a black hole. That's what it's gonna do. There's like millions of black holes out there that we know of, and they're sucking in everything. You know, you look at all the universes and they're really nice and pretty and spirally. You know how they get that shape? From the gravitational pull of these freaking black holes that are sucking us in. Luckily, we are like not too far away where we get flinged out of the galaxy, and not too close that we get sucked in. But what will happen before we get sucked in to the black hole is that our next door galaxy, Andromeda, is going to collide into us and kill us all. The universe scares me. I don't like the universe. It depresses me because everything is violent and it dies, and pretty much, okay, the best way to describe the universe is a phoenix. Birth from death, from the ashes. It just kind of made me realize, like, what's the point of life then? Life is kind of meaningless if it all just ends. I guess that's the pessimist in me coming out because of the freaking black holes. That's just one little thing, and then there's one, okay, what the fuck is gravity? I mean, it's an 8-episode thing, and they talk about and explain all these different elements and stuff in like dark matter, and they explain what they know of it, because basically they know shit. But they at least tried to explain it, and you know, dark energy and dark matter and stuff, but then they kept saying gravity, but like, what is gravity? Science is hard. It's hard to comprehend, and it's scary, and I don't want to go into space, and we're all gonna die, and then be born again into stardust, because that is what we are made of. We are made from supernovas. Y'all should watch it, How the Universe Works, narrated by Mike Rowe from the Discovery Channel. It's on Netflix. DFTBA. I'll see you tomorrow, Katie. Live long and prosper, because it's all going to end. So, there.